Hi, it's Chantel here, the creator of the Student Attraction System. Now, just listen to me a bit carefully here for a moment, because please don't have an open day, or at least don't call it an open day. Now, I know what you're thinking, like, well, we've always had open days and that's what they're called, and you know, everyone has open days, but that is the point. Don't you think if everyone's doing the same thing and everyone's having open days, it leaves you just a bit of an opportunity to do something a little bit different? Now, when I speak with our members and I ask them, so where do you find your best students? More often than not, it's not from, someone picked up the phone, after Googling them. It's often when they've had a chance or an opportunity to talk and personally connect with a potential student that's where really good long-term relationships are built. So we want to create an event or, an open day, which gives you an opportunity to show all the great things about your studio with a little bit more pizzazz. So instead of running your usual open classes open day, here's an idea about a style of experience you can give your community that will get everyone talking about you in a really good way, not in a bad way. So here's what you can do. You rent a hall for an evening screening of a movie, something like Grease, that's happy and sing along and feel good. You invite all of your current students and their families, as well as all your potential students, so everyone who may have come to an open day, or even everyone who's come to an open day in the past. You can take this further by inviting everyone on your database, the students who may have come to your studio, they may have left, but who knows, they might be interested in coming back, and this is the perfect opportunity to invite them back. So you get them all there, you say, why not come dressed in your 1950s clothes? Let's make a real event of it. Let's make a bit of a party. And in your advertising, you're really going to hype it up and say this is a really fantastic event. It's free, come along, bring your family, bring your friends. And once the movie's finished, you're going to teach them either a dance or a song, or maybe get some of your students to act out a scene. The important thing is you get everyone up and involved and engaging in what it is you do best, and that is teaching. So they get a chance to see everything you do and do so well. Now, the best thing about this style of experience is that your current students get to interact with your potential students, and you'll start seeing the potential students just get more and more engaged and involved. And you'll see the parents there looking back and going, wow, so at this studio I pay for lessons and I get lessons, but at this studio I pay for lessons and I get experiences like this, and I'm looking at my child over there and their eyes are sparkling and they're doing what they love, and these people are fantastic, and what a great community to be in, and that's all just part of the deal. And it really showcases your studio in the best possible light. That's why it's so powerful. Now, if you want to take it even further, at one stage during that, get up some of your current students, articulate ones, ones who can kind of talk and who will say the right thing, and just ask them a few questions. So what have you been enjoying learning, and what are you looking forward to in the future? What's so great about being part of your studio? And you could even do the same with one of your really supportive parents, bring them up and just kind of get them having a chat. It's the least expensive but most powerful sales tool around, because they're seeing firsthand just how much people love learning from your studio. It's awesome. So if you've already organized your open day, no matter, look, here's what you do. On your open day, you invite everyone who's attending to this event that you're going to be hosting in the next month. And you say it's a great incentive for you to sign up today, because we've got this fabulous thing that you can come along to for free. You can bring your family and really see and get to meet everyone who's involved in our studio. It's a really good tool to get more people to sign up. Now, let's just go back to basics one more time. Please don't have an open day. And the reason is this. It's because I kind of tend to feel that you can probably do a little bit better than what everyone else is doing out there. And every time you raise the bar and you do a little bit better than the competition, and you just keep improving the quality of service you give your community, you're going to win at the end of the day. So go on out there, go create a really fabulous, fun experience for your community. They're gonna love and thank you for it, and your studio is gonna grow as a result. So I'm Chantel, fabulous to have you here today. I'll see you next time.